With the release of Game Chess logic games, we saw the first example of turn-by-turn Xbox Live multiplayer on Windows Phone. And here's an example of how it works. So as you can see, I have a game running here, and it gives you little push notifications when it's your turn here. And it says, oh, it's my turn there. I can jump straight into my turn and load the game up and actually make my move in chess. Now, they only have multiplayer for chess right now because the other games are single player like Sudoku and Minesweeper, but it's a great example of how this all works. So as you can see, it showed you where your opponent just moved, and then you can make your move. And then once you made your move, you can click send, and it'll send your move to your opponent. And so here I got on the computer the game going here. And now it's my move here on the computer. So I'm playing the computer against the phone here. So I can move there and send it there. And then it goes back to the phone there. Now the speed of this isn't too bad. It's sometimes laggy, but I'm playing this over my cell phone network, so it's not that great, but it's definitely reasonable. And so you can actually exit out of the game here, and you could be playing another game, and you can always come back to the game. You could have multiple games running. You could close out of it and go type an email, and then come back. And it all just works through the internet. Also, if you decide to come to your computer and you don't want to play on your phone, you can actually get onto your computer and continue your game here. Like here, this is my phone's Xbox Live account, and I can go to my active games here, and my game shows up right here. And then I can jump into the game right from my computer and keep on playing right where I left off from the phone. So this all works in Silverlight here over the web browser. Or you can play against someone else's Windows Phone. So you can play Windows Phone to Windows Phone, Windows Phone to browser, or even browser to browser. And anyone, you can invite practically anyone. I think they might need to have a Xbox Live account, but you can just send them an email and it'll take them to the Xbox Live page here to play. So here's how you can invite someone to play a game of chess with you on your Windows Phone. You just click invite a friend, and then it'll load up the Xbox Live invitation options here. And you can enter an email address or pick someone from your contacts and then invite them, and they'll send them an email about it, or if they have a Windows Phone, it'll show up on their Windows Phone Xbox Live tile, and then you can instantly start playing with them. So overall, the implementation of turn-by-turn gaming is finally starting to kick off here in Xbox Live. And while the speed of making the turns might be slightly slow, especially because of some of the load times in the games, it's still really neat to be able to play a game of chess with your friend, even if they don't have a Windows Phone.